In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and launching them in the background. So in my case Chrome and Play Store. With both of your apps opened in the background, access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of it at the top, select split screen in the pop-up and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!